Hi, I'm Alice from Presto Photo, and today I'll be showing you how to save a PDF from Apple Aperture. Once you have completed the layout and design of your book, it's time to save your project as a PDF. Move your cursor to File on the top of the screen and select Print Book. A box will appear asking to indicate your printing selection. Go to the PDF setting in the bottom left of the box. Click the drop-down menu and select the Save as PDF option. Another box will appear asking you to title your project and select where you want the project saved on your computer. For convenience, I'm saving it to the desktop. After the files have been processed, it should be saved to your desktop as a PDF. I would suggest double-checking the PDF file to make sure that everything is in proper order before uploading it to Presto Photo. Our follow-up video will go over how to upload your Aperture PDF to the Presto Photo website. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, chat with our live support or send an email over to support@prestophoto.com on our website, prestophoto.com. Have a great day!